Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're still in Salt Lake City, Utah. I don't know, I might put this video out before I put out yesterday's video, or video shot an hour ago or so. Is it just me, or has Doordash turned into like a freaking needy girlfriend? Like, it's so crazy now. Like, I've never received so many, like, you are not on your way to your order yet, please. I don't know, like all these like little like notifications that send to you. And then after it gives me three orders, just three orders that were less than $1 a mile, and one of them wasn't even close to $1 a mile. It was like 3 miles for $1. They try to log me out. Like, look at this screen grab I just got of it a second ago. We've paused your dash for 9 minutes and basically 10 minutes. It looks like you are not accepting orders right now. So we've paused your dash to give other orders to dashers. Hey, Doordash, they can take those orders if they want to take those orders. Like, what is this needy girlfriend BS where you're trying to get me to, like, you're trying to log me out because I didn't take 3 bullshit orders that shouldn't even been offered to me in the first place? I'm like, what the hell is going on here? Like, since when is Doordash like this? It used to be like if you didn't accept an order, or if you didn't accept or decline an order, it would like put you on pause or something. But now they're just like, nah, take our orders or we're gonna pause you, bitch. Like, what is this shit? Is this doing it? Is this just in Salt Lake City, or is it like, what's going on here? Because it's not like this in Vegas, or maybe because I've taken a 2-week hiatus from doing Doordash, that I don't know. Now all of a sudden Doordash is like super needy. Like, what's going on here? I don't know. It's not cool, and it makes DoorDashing really annoying, to be quite honest. Like, I'm not trying to have all these notifications popping up. It's logging me out for not taking good orders. I don't know. Does this stuff happen to you guys? And also, has anyone eaten at Costa Vida Mexican Grill? It looks like Chipotle, but I don't know. I've never had it, never heard of it, but I just got it, so that's why I'm doing some DoorDash right now, because this food cost me $14 with the horchata. I love horchata. Cost me $14. And I have made $6 so far, so I got to do probably 2 more orders. This is what I do when I go out and I buy fast food or something, especially when I'm out of town. I try to just do a DoorDash, you know? I did one on the way there, and I'm probably going to try, like this order that I'm doing right now takes me back towards my hotel. So it's like, worst case scenario, I just did 2 McDonald's orders. One paid $6, this one's paying $5.50. They're both, one was 1 mile, this one that I'm doing is 2.2 miles. So it's like, worst case scenario, I got paid $11.50, almost the entire meal, to basically go not out of my way at all. And that is what I call casual dashing. Just going completely in the direction you are already gonna go, and just making that extra money, so that way your bank account doesn't go to zero. Anyways, so we're pulling up to the drive-thru. Ooh, I was just here a second ago. Like, this is the same McDonald's that I was just at, and it was so packed. And now there's not a single car in the drive-thru, so I'm just zooming on through. Be right back after I pick up this order. Alright, just picked up the order. This little light bag feels like there's only like French fries in it or something. I don't know. It doesn't... Oh, 1 item. It is literally just 2... No, it's 1 large French fry. That's what I said. I literally called it. There's only 1 large French fry in this bag. Who the fuck orders? Sorry for my cursing, but who the hell orders 1 large French fry on DoorDash? This is costing you at least $6 for me to come deliver it. So you paid what? That doesn't include the freaking fees that DoorDash is charging you. You're paying like $10 or $11 for 1 French fry. Who does that? That's insane to me. Like, the return on investment is not very good for 1 French fry. Plus, you're getting essentially little cancer sticks. Like whatever they put in McDonald's food is not good for you. But, anyways, It is what it is. People want to be super lazy. I'm not lazy, on the other hand. I got this freaking really good Mexican food that I got to start eating real quick. So, be right back. Not gonna lie, this Mexican food is hot. It is so hot. And it's definitely the jalapenos. Jalapenos are so hit or miss, you know? If they cook them right, they're not too hot, and they taste really good. If they don't cook them right and they're raw, which I believe they were raw, they're freaking so hot. So I'm sitting here basically crying in my car, having a mental breakdown, getting tons of crappy orders. I don't even need to, look, of course, crappy order. $13, it's more than $1 a mile, but 11 miles way the heck the wrong way for $13, 2 orders. Not gonna do that. I think we're gonna just log out, to be honest. I think I'm just gonna accept the, what was it, $3 loss basically that we had on me. Basically I only paid $3 for this bowl, so I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below, how is DoorDash treating you? Is it changed? Has it changed for you guys? Is it different? Because it's been a while since, oh my god, guys. Another McDonald's order. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it though. Because McDonald's right now is so easy to just drive through. $5, 1.6 miles. I'm pretty sure that it's delivering right across the street from my hotel. So I'm gonna do it. 1.6 miles. That's almost $5 a mile. So it ain't bad. We're gonna end with a profit today. Well, you gotta minus the gases and all that other expenses. So it is what it is. That's why I do multiple things at once. That's why I'm filming this YouTube video. Gotta make money on the back end. That's why I'm about to go Christmas shopping, to be honest. I think there's a nice mall up here, and I gotta buy some presents for some people. So I'm gonna go to the mall, but unfortunately I spilled salsa on this t-shirt, so I gotta change my t-shirt first. That is the problem with white. It's like dangerous, you know? This is why I never wear white. I wear white one time, and I was super careful. I even used napkins, and somehow I dropped like a piece of steak and just went and splashed. I got this freaking stain on my white t-shirt. It is what it is. Anyways, be right back. Let's pick up this McDonald's order. Yeah, be right back. Call me the McDonald's master after today. I've freaking been doing all this places. I bet you I've taken all of the orders that have come through McDonald's today. This is my third one in the last 30 minutes. I've only been dashing for 30 minutes. This is my third order. And third order, all from the same place. I'm just handling these McDonald's orders. But they're all $5, $6 orders, so whatever. It is what it is. In the end, I've only driven like 6 miles total, so that's pretty good money in my opinion. Be right back. Alright, and that is going to wrap up today's video. The McDonald's master is logging out. Whoa! Holy Jesus. Almost lost my camera there for a second. Yeah, just dropped off the order. Got an extra post $1 tip, so we made $6.50 compared to the $5.50 that we were promised. I don't know why DoorDash feels that it's necessary to hide $1 from me, but it is what it is. Man, there's freaking like ice puddles everywhere in this freaking snow city. Crazy. Salt Lake City, it should be called Snow Lake City. Stupid, never mind. Alright, anyways, thank you guys for watching. DoorDash, you suck. And I'm out. I'm gonna go to the mall and buy some Christmas presents. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a Merry Christmas. Peace.